one can use three different transports which move at 10, 20 and 30 kilometers per hour respectively. To reach from A to B, Amal took each mode of transport one-third of his total journey time, while Bimal took each mode of transport one-third of his total distance. The percentage by which Bimal's travel time exceeds Amal's travel time is nearest to 21, 22, 20 or 19. Now let's take the case for Amal first. Now let's assume that the total time required for Amal is 3t. Now it is given that Amal took each mode of transport one-third of his total journey time. That means for each mode he is traveling for t hours. So I can write it down like this. Now let's take Bimal. Now let's assume the total distance of Bimal as the LCM of the speeds 10, 20 and 30, which is 60 kilometers. Now it is given that Bimal took each mode of transport one-third of the total distance. So distance upon 3, that is 60 upon 3 for every mode of transport, we get it as 20. Now let's focus only on Amal. Now everyone knows the general formula for distance is speed multiplied by time. We have time t for each of the modes. Now speeds differ. So therefore the distance covered by Amal in the first part of his journey will be 10t. In the second part it would be 20t and in the third part it would be 30t because the speeds given are 10, 20 and 30 kilometers per hour respectively. So the total distance covered is 10t plus 20t plus 30t, that is 60t. Now if you remember, we have assumed the distance as 60 kilometers. So therefore we can get the value of t as 1. So the total time which we had assumed as 3t, it becomes 3 hours. Now shifting our focus to Bimal. Now we know the general formula for time as distance upon speed. Now we know Bimal has travelled 20 kilometers in each part of his journey. We also know their speeds, which are 10, 20 and 30 kilometers per hour respectively. So we can easily find out the time required by Bimal in each mode of his journey. So let's find out for the first part, where the speed is 10. Now the next speed is 20 and then the speed is 30. So individually the times required will be 20 upon 10, that is 2, then 20 upon 20, that is 1, and next in the third part it would be 20 upon 30, that is 2/3 of an hour. 2/3 of an hour is nothing but 40 minutes. So the total time required by Bimal is 3 hours and 40 minutes. So now we have total time required for Amal as 3 hours and total time of Bimal as 3 hours and 40 minutes. That means the total time of Bimal exceeds by 40 minutes. Now we have to find this in terms of percentage. So we can write it down as 40 upon 180 into 100, which comes out to be 22.22%. So the answer to this question will be Bimal's time exceeds Amal's travel time by 22.22%. We want the nearest integer, so the answer will be 22. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel.